we have a real beauty for you here. This is a 2013 plate XC90 R-Design nav in Caspian Blue with charcoal or off-black leather trim. This is a one-owner car from new with full service history. All Volvo dealer apart from the last two, and it's only done an amazingly low 23,000 miles. Just 23,000 miles. This would be a hard car to repeat. I'll show you inside in just a moment, but it's unmarked. It's pretty much unmarked. The wheels are all excellent. I'll show you the usual culprit of the near side front. As you can see, not damaged at all really. There is a little dent in the door, but we'll deal with that. A couple of little dents, but we'll deal with those. Just a paintless dent repair. Those of you looking for an XC90, you're probably familiar with the layout. Obviously we have another seat folded away there. I'll show you from the other side in a minute as well. This one's got rear air conditioning as well, which is an option on these. Show you in the back. Again, as you know, you've got three seats here. The two outer ones have got Isofix. The middle one has this integral booster seat, which you can fold away, as it were, like that. All three seats move independently, forward and back. It's the electric driver's seat with memory. Our design, if you can see that, yeah. You see this nice sort of stitching here as well, which is nice, and sort of chunky steering wheel. This one being an R design. Navigation, heated seats down there. That's it. So you've got rear aircon, power child locks for the rear, active xenon headlights, and the piece de la resistance. 23,000 miles. Unbelievably low, isn't it? You won't find another one of these, I don't think. Well, there we are. A nicely spec'd XC90 waiting for its next new owner. You're welcome to obviously come and have a look at the car, have a drive, or if you want to reserve it online, you can do that for £99 at seymourhorwell.com, and we'll keep it here for 24 hours for you, so you can get to see the car. But as I say, if you're a distance away, you won't fault the car. It's lovely, absolutely lovely, out the box. So we look forward to hearing from you soon.